Hi guys, happy last week of school. This is May 18th weekly, Amy Brockstedt's Foundation.
News to you, May 18th, 2020, Amy Brockstedt's Foundation. Amy Brockstedt is a golfer from Phoenix, Arizona. She is a person with Down syndrome. Amy and her family started a foundation. A foundation is a group of people that helps others.
So Amy Brockstedt, she's a golfer in Phoenix, Arizona, and she has Down syndrome. She, along with her family, started what you call a foundation that wants to help other people be successful.
Amy is 21 years old. She is a very good golfer. Amy goes to college now. Amy got a golf scholarship to pay for college. She plays on her college's golf team.
So Amy is an adult now. She's 21 years old and she's a great golfer. She goes to college. She got a golf scholarship. A scholarship is something that pays for college. So because she played golf so well, she got in on a golf scholarship. So as long as she plays golf for the college, she will have her school paid for.
Amy went to a big golf tournament in 2019. The tournament was for professional golfers. One of the professional golfers was Gary Woodland. Gary invited Amy to play during the tournament. Amy was excited to play.
So Amy went to a huge golf tournament last year, 2019, and one of the golfers there was Gary Woodland. Gary Woodland actually asked Amy to play in the tournament.
Amy hit the golf ball into sand. Hitting a ball out of sand can be hard. Gary wanted to help Amy. Amy said, "I got this." Then she hit a great golf shot.
So on golf courses, they have what's called sand traps. And when you hit your golf ball, if you happen to end up in one of these sand traps, it is so difficult to get them out. Well, Gary wanted to help her and she said, "No, I got this." And she ended up hitting a great shot.
People posted a video with Amy's shot online. Millions of others saw the video. They saw Amy try her best. She made others want to try their best too. Amy and her family decided to help others.
So tons of people saw this video of Amy's amazing golf shot. And so with that, Amy and her family decided that they wanted to help others.
Amy and her family started a foundation in 2019. The foundation is the I Got This Foundation. The foundation helps people with special needs play golf. Playing golf helps people make friends, get exercise, make memories, and have fun.
So, because of the day that she was in that tournament and she told Gary, "I got this," she named her foundation that. And that foundation helps children and adults with special needs play golf. Playing golf can help you make friends, get exercise, get out in the sun, get out in the weather. It's just great.
Amy Brockstedt is a very good golfer. Amy tries to do her best. Amy and her family started the I Got This Foundation. The foundation wants people to try their best. The foundation wants people to say, "I got this."
So this foundation was started by Amy and her family, and they just want people to do their best. So the person in the news, of course, is Amy.
Person in the news, Amy Brockstedt. Amy Brockstedt is a golfer. She started to play golf in 8th grade. Amy plays the piano. She studies dance in college. Amy gives speeches about Down syndrome.
So not only is she a good golfer, she likes to play piano, she's studying dance, and she goes around giving speeches about what Down syndrome is. The other person in the news is Gary Woodland.
Person in the news. Gary Woodland. Gary Woodland played golf at the University of Kansas. Then he became a professional golfer. Gary won the U.S. Open Golf Tournament in 2019. Gary played golf with Amy Bokersteady. They became friends.
So the place in the news is Phoenix, Arizona. And if you've ever been to Phoenix, you know it's hot.
Place in the news. Phoenix, Arizona. Amy Bokersteady lives in Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is in southwestern Arizona. Phoenix is the capital city of Arizona. The weather is usually hot in Phoenix. Phoenix is in a desert.
So the reason the weather is hot in Phoenix so often is because it is in fact in a desert. And so if we remember anything about our biomes and things like that, it gets really hot during the day and cold at night. Okay, as always, you guys have the ingredients. Please try the recipe, send us a picture, and let us know if you liked it, and we'd love to see it. Log into Canvas, make sure you get your work done. This is the last week of school. You guys can do it. Miss you.